We are coming out of the holidays, so likely you spent some time with family. And during these gatherings, families sometimes have some pretty deep conversations. And I know you know this too, Brad, as you have people come to your office at Reverse Mortgage Pro.
Absolutely. The families over the holidays do have a great opportunity to talk with mom and dad about their financial situation. And those are difficult questions because mom and dad don't always want the families to know the situation that they're in, whether it be good or bad, or sometimes the children don't want to hear it because they're not in a position where they can help. And that's one of the places that the reverse mortgage could potentially be a positive thing to talk about if we can get families together to discuss really what's happening in mom and dad's finances.
What are you seeing when people come to your office or when you make a house call and visit their homes? The issue with homes in general for older people?
So many older people have this big asset, the equity that they've built up in the house. And it's typically the only big asset that they have, but a senior can't use it because they're on a fixed income. They don't want to go get a loan. So we look at the reverse mortgage as a way of using some of that asset in order to better protect the family's finances. But a lot of the children that we talk to don't want to hear about the reverse mortgage because they've heard bad things about the reverse mortgage program, or they think the government's going to come and take mom and dad's house. And really one of the best things that we find when we sit down with the senior and their family is we can educate what happens while the senior has the reverse mortgage and what happens after. And when you get the facts, it's really not that bad.
So talk a little bit more about that. You have adult children who are advising mom and dad, but really they could learn a little bit more about the process to see if it really does make sense for a family member.
Children looking on the internet at the reverse mortgage program and seeing a lot of the people out there that say it's a bad program or they took mom and dad's house, they're not getting the accurate information. There are situations where parents have lost the house because the property taxes weren't paid or the homeowner's insurance wasn't paid or they weren't educated about the product. That's where our company, Reverse Mortgage Pro, really does a great job at sitting down with the families and going through the whole program and seeing if it's appropriate for a senior, getting the education before anything is done so families can make good decisions together.
And if the reverse mortgage turns out to not be the right thing, I know your company offers other options for them.
We are absolutely a full service mortgage company. We offer VA loans and FHA loans, HUD-backed loans, conventional bank type of loans. We focus on senior financial situations, and they're unique situations to be able to deal with. But Reverse Mortgage Pro offers all of these other products, and we're going to look at the entire product range to see what's appropriate for a senior and their family.
How can people get more information and get a house call from someone on your team?
Easiest way is to call 722-6800. We'll send out an information package, and if it's appropriate, we'll set up an appointment to come out and give the education.
Brad, thank you.
Great to see you.